Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two incredible cameras from Sony, the A7 III and the Alpha ZV-E10. Both have their own unique strengths, making them popular choices among photographers and videographers alike. Let's see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the Sony A7 III is priced at $1899 making it a premium choice for serious photographers. Reviewers have noted that while it comes with a hefty price tag, the performance in low light and overall image quality is worth the investment. On the flip side, the ZV-E10 is much more budget-friendly, retailing at $799. Users appreciate this affordability, especially considering its impressive features tailored for vloggers. So, if you're looking to splurge on a high-end camera, the A7 III is your pick. But for those on a budget, the ZV-E10 shines as an economical option. Now, let's talk about their image sensors. Both the A7 III and ZV-E10 feature a *24.2 megapixels sensor but the A7 III has a full-frame sensor, which offers better performance in low-light conditions. Reviewers have raved about the A7 III's ability to produce stunning images, even in challenging lighting, making it a favorite among landscape and outdoor photographers. The ZV-E10, with its APS-C sensor, is also praised for its image quality, particularly in video. It excels in capturing content for social media, but it may not perform as well in low light as the A7 III. So if capturing the perfect shot in dim settings is your goal, go with the A7 III. If you're focused more on vlogging, the ZV-E10 will meet your needs. Dynamic range is another important aspect to consider. The A7 III boasts an impressive *15-stop dynamic range *, allowing for exceptional detail in both shadows and highlights. Reviewers have highlighted this feature as a game-changer for dramatic photography. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 offers a decent dynamic range, suitable for casual photography and video work. However, it does not quite match the capabilities of the A7 III. If you're serious about capturing intricate details in your images, the A7 III is the clear winner here. Let's not forget about autofocus. The A7 III features *693 phase detection points *, which is a significant advantage for capturing fast-moving subjects. Reviewers consistently mention how quick and reliable the autofocus is, making it ideal for wildlife and sports photography. The ZV-E10 also has impressive autofocus capabilities, particularly for vlogging, with features like real-time eye autofocus. Users love how it keeps subjects sharp and in focus, making it perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments. So, if you need precision in action shots, the A7 III is the way to go, but for vloggers, the ZV-E10 offers excellent performance. Finally, let's discuss features. The A7 III is packed with professional-grade features, including a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, and more, making it suitable for serious photographers. Reviewers have praised its versatility for various photography styles, but it may be overwhelming for beginners. On the other hand, the ZV-E10 is designed with content creators in mind, offering easy live streaming and a product showcase setting that simplifies product demonstrations. Users love its lightweight design and straightforward controls, making it perfect for those new to videography. If you're a seasoned pro, the A7 III will meet your needs, but for beginners or casual users, the ZV-E10 is incredibly accessible. Overall, both cameras have garnered positive reviews, with the A7 III being praised for its exceptional image quality and low-light performance, while the ZV-E10 is celebrated for its user-friendly features and affordability. The A7 III is often viewed as a premium investment for serious photographers, while the ZV-E10 is seen as a fantastic option for vloggers and content creators looking for great performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in. Which camera do you prefer? The Sony A7 III or the Alpha ZV-E10? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more comparisons. Remember, product links are in the description, so check those out if you're interested.